Pleasant good morning. Hello, good morning. This is again Doc Bernie. So we are always walking from our home to office. So this again are my 5 doggies on our neighbors who are roaming around every morning. I think all of these dogs were vaccinated, and also a cat. So you need to defend yourself. Put a bag between you and the dog. So that dog who is following me is the alpha dog. Okay, so time check, it's 6 a.m. in the morning. 6 a.m. We will now be walking again. So with a pace of 3.4 kilometer per hour, so our walk will be about 1 hour and 50 minutes. I think it's not rice. So, as you can see, so many there are in line, no? So matagal na tayo naglalakad, isang oras na tayo naglalakad. Isang oras na papunta ng City Hall galing sa bahay. Basta konti na lang. Meron na tayo natakbong 4.3 kilometers. Then 12 minutes na lang nalakad. 12 minutes, malapit-lapit na tayo sa City Hall. Sa mga nanonood, thank you for walking with me. It is my daily activity to exercise for my health. Thank you very much. Malapit na tayo sa City Hall. Thank you very much sa paglalakad kasama ako. So naglakad tayo na isang oras at 30 minutes, around 6 kilometers. Thank you very much. Gandang hayop sa umaga.